Oh, what's up, everybody? This is break 3003. It's H2 2-box. Dice roll. Fresh set we go. 5 times. Teams first. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 again. 3 and 2 is 5. We went 5 right there. Saints up top. Jets at the bottom. Again, guys, we'll rip a couple breaks and fill a couple. Let's go. We're going to pull fire, no doubt. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 here. 5 here. Timmy B, you're up top. Joe Holloway at the bottom. I have not opened any H2 yet. My first time at Sorties. Print them out. Good luck, guys. Good luck. Two boxes of H2. Let's do it. See if Spence left me any heat to pull out of these. Got that light up super bright, he does. He must be blind. Let's go. Again, guys, take your spots on the website. Bundles are off and running. They're gone. Good luck. See a little bit of color down there. Good luck, guys. Good luck. Brandon Ayuk. Jack Sanborn for the Bears. Jerry Jeudy on the silver. We got red rookie. Cam Jurgens for the Eagles. .49 out of 49 for the Eagles. Desmond Ridder on the rook. Falcons and Toomey. Garrett Patty. Scary Terry DeMar Hamlin. Terrell Bernard. Tyreek and Joey B. Amon-Ra Dicker the kicker. Lambjack, we got blue of Mike Williams. 25 out of 25, last in the print for the Chargers. And Basso. Sauce on the rook. Dalvin Cook. Chris Olave for the Saints. Derek Stingley Jr. on the hollow, and Tua Tagovailoa, 1 out of 49. We've had last in the print, first in the print for the Dolphins. And Ed Betty. Fedarian Mathis, Cooper Kupp, Kobe Dean, Pitts, Tyler Gordon, blue of Devontae Adams for the Raiders. Raiders and Chris Campbell. 6 out of 25. A-Rod. Matt Judon, Tua. Lewis Sign, Sam Howell for the Commanders. And Chris Campbell. We got red of DJ Moore going to the Panthers. 22 out of 49. Kayvon Thibodeau. Diggs, Danny Gray, KP, Kenny Pickett for the Steelers, and Josh Toomey. What's up, Lyle? We got Silver Sam Howell Concourse for the Commanders, and Chris Campbell. Nice one here, a little red. 41 out of 49 of Joey B for the Bengals. Tom Hall. Nice hit, Tom. Jerry Jeudy. Gino. Logan Hall. Kyler Gordon. Sam Darnold. Got green. It's not a rookie. Jonathan Taylor for the Colts. 1 out of 5. Nice hit there for the Colts. And Colts, Chris Campbell. Nice little break there for you, Chris. I do like the H2. H2 is a lot better this year. Spence has told me that. I've watched a few breaks that he's done. It seems like it's loaded. Top load a few, and then I'll recap, and we'll get into the next break. Again, guys, a few breaks are seriously super close. Auto Banger 2984, real close. 3 left in that break. Kayvon, 1 out of 5 of JT. Burrow, 41 out of 49. Sam Howell in the silver. Kenny Pickett, DJ Moore, Sammy Howell, Adams, Tua Tagovailoa, Mike Williams, Juergens, Ritter, Sauce, and Olave. Again, guys, that's the break. Thanks for the fill. Take your spots on the website. There's a lot of stuff close to filling. A lot of breaks going tonight.